Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to roll henna cone, and trust me, you will just get the hang of it once you just keep trying, keep practicing, and you will be all good. Don't get frustrated over if you don't get it in one shot. It just needs some time. So I'm gonna tell you, everyone makes it a little different way, means like the size or the type of cellophane sheet or roll. I like to keep it rectangular. People do it square shape, people do triangle shape as well, but mine is like 7 inches width and the length will be 5 inches. Okay, so what you're gonna do, so you're gonna place your finger right here, which is the center of, not the center, the middle of the sheet, but we're not gonna make the cone tip right here. We're gonna make it right here. Does it make sense? Okay, let's try in the middle first. Let's see what happens. So the thing is, when you do in the middle, you don't have much room to hold this thing and roll it up. So that's why hold it a little further from the center, right here. Hopefully you can see it. Again, this is the center. We're gonna do it a little further. Hold it, okay? And then slowly hold this part, which is the tip of your cone, and this is the end part, the top part, which is the wider one. Okay, so you're gonna hold it this way. Oops. Again, hold it. Okay, that is the inner corner. I'm actually holding it with my thumb. This is the whole thing. Actually, you need to learn how you can get hold of it. And there you go. I got it. Okay, it's just because I'm sitting in the awkward position because of the camera, but okay, here's the thing. I'm holding it right here. Keep rolling it, but the thing is, you need to get the shape of your henna cone. Some people like to have wider, some people like very skinny cones. So if you want to have skinny cones, hold it from the tip, and this thumb, you will be pulling towards yourself while you're still rolling it up. Let me just show you. So roll it and keep pulling it down. Roll it and keep pulling it down. Okay, at this point, if you like, you can insert your pin in there, or you can just roll it as is and then cut the tip at the end once you're all done to get the finest or the smallest tip of your cone. Okay, so again, pull towards yourself. Okay, pull towards yourself. Okay, here's the little corner left right here. So I'm just going to tape it up, and I'm gonna tell you how. Okay, so I'm gonna tape it straight right here. You see that? Okay, and now just keep rolling, but give a little support with your fingers right here so it doesn't stick anywhere else but in the shape of your cone, okay? Keep pulling with the help of your thumb right here, like this. Very slowly, gently, and you're all done. And look, this is actually tight. It means you got the perfect size of your tip according to your pin. Okay, it's not just falling when you just shake it a little bit. So this is it. To secure, I will suggest you to tape a little bit more where the joints are, or where the wrap is. I need to figure this out a little bit right here. It's right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it right here, just to make sure it doesn't open up when I'm still working with my henna cone. Okay, there you go. Let me know if you find it a little okay, if you want me to tell you how to fill the cone and close this end. Let me know. I will definitely make a video for you how to do that. Okay,